Okay, so sa if-else naman, dako tayo sa if-else. So basically, the if-else statement in C# allows your program to make decisions based on condition. And it works like this. So, ayan, if a condition is true, one block of code runs. Otherwise, other block of code runs. Yan. So basically, ito. Yung if, basically, ayan yung true. Ayan o, codes to execute if the condition is true. So, kapag else naman, ayan, magiging false yung condition niya dyan. Kasi ito yung false, ito yung true. Yan, for example, yan, integer age 20, and then if age is greater than equal 18, then the result will be you're an adult. And then kapag else naman, basically kapag else, you are not an adult. For example, pag niran to, please enter your age, kapag nilagay mo ay 18, ayan, greater than equal by 18 nga, bali ang lalabas, ito, you are an adult. Pero kapag nilabas, in-enter mo, for example, 17, 16, ang lalabas, ito, you are not an adult. Ano, if age is 18 or more, the program prints you are an adult. Otherwise, it prints you are not an adult. Yon. So, ganun po yun. No? So, ah, yung if else if naman, basically, specify a new condition, no? If the first condition is false, no? Ayan. So, ang if, basically, condition niya is true na. And then, ito naman, ang else if, kumbaga nasa middle siya, para siyang sabihin nating or then. If ang isang condition is false, tas ang isang condition is true. Kasi sa or, isang condition is true lang. So basically, itong if else, basically kapag may isang condition is false, then may isang condition na true. Sa else, basically, dito siya mag-false na kapag condition 1 and condition 2 will be false. Bali, ang lalabas, ito na. Ito. Tandaan na, kapag ito, condition niya, true. Ito naman, basically, kapag yung isang condition 1 and condition 2 will be true and false, no? And then sa else naman, basically, kapag nag-false yung condition 1 and condition 2, lalabas to, no? Ayan, for example, adding else if for multiple conditions. Ayan, integer score 85. If score is greater than 90, bali ang grade niya ay A. Else if score is greater than 80, that will be grade B. And then, greater than equal 70, that will be grade C, yan, etc. etc. Yan, tanong. Is 85 greater than 90? No. So, bababa dito yan. Ayan. Else if, dito. Ayan. Dito yan lalabas. And then so on. Pag mababa naman to, for example, 60, dito na yan. Sa F, no? And then, kapag dito naman, for example, using system, ayan, console write line enter a number, integer number, ayan, convert to 32, integer. If number is greater than 0, then the number is positive. Else if the less than 0, that will be negative. So basically, kapag nag-false lahat tong condition, ito lalabas. Basically, the number is 0. Yan. So kapag kinode nyo, please enter number 1. That will be here sa if kasi the number is positive. And then, kapag hindi naman, naglagay ka ng negative 1, basically, dito yan sa else if. Yan. Then, kapag naglagay ka ng 0 mismo doon sa number, ito, sa console write enter number, kapag ni-run, lalabas to, the number is 0. Why? Kasi wala na, hindi naman greater than zero is zero eh, di ba? Zero is zero. And then, ayan, the user inputs a number. The program checks if the number is positive, negative, or zero using if and else blocks, no? So, ayan. Ayan, you can also nest if statement inside each other for more complex logic. For example, ayan, integer age 25, bool has ID true. Yan. If age is greater than equal 18, then if has ID, yan, you are allowed to enter. Then else naman, yan, console write line, you need an ID to enter. Then else again, console write line, you are not old enough to enter. Yan. So basically, kapag ginawa, no, here's the program checks if the user is 18 and also if they have an ID. Pag ayan, do you have an ID? What is your age? 19. You have ID? Ayan, you're allowed to enter. If wala naman, pero nasa legal age ka na, you need an ID to enter. But if you are below 18, like 17, and then may ID ka or wala, you are not allowed to enter kasi you are not old enough to enter kasi hindi ka naman greater than 18 eh. Hindi ka pa matanda. Okay, so the conclusion will be, ayan, if else, basically is a power tool din for decision making. Tinutulungan niya tayong mag-program, react to different conditions and scenarios, no? You can use else, if else, and else to handle various possibilities and even nest them for more complex logic. So kapag ganun, gagawa kayo ng website, basically ganun eh. May mga questions sa mga bago kayo umenter ng mga website, no? So that's it.